Hello and welcome. I'm Rabi Hassan from Online Money Carrier, and in this video I will show you how you can make actually not make how you can design and edit how you can design a professional looking blog website. um, in my previous video I already teached it that how you can upload a blogger theme in blogger, and I promise that the blogger paid theme I will provide to you in Sunday on a giveaway, as a giveaway. Now what we have to do, we have to edit the uh, blog, and we have to remove the flexed space. And if I say it clearly, then we have to just delete unnecessary we have to delete some unnecessary things what we don't need in our blog. We have to remove this one and the panel. We don't need the panel actually. We we don't need it. And this one, we have to remove all those things from the blog. We just need a clean style blog. And also we have to remove the blog, remove the Facebook. So let's get started without wasting time. So to remove, first we will remove the first ad. So what we have to do, we have to go to the layout section. It's loading. This is the property of theme expose, because the theme is from theme expose. Now what we have to do, the after logo, you can see that we have to remove this. Let's to remove this, what we have to do, we have to click on edit, and the pop-ups come. And what we have to do now, we have to just click onto the remove, then click on remove and click OK. Let's see what happened. Okay, it's gone, it's deleted. Same, what we have to remove the ads home post. We have to click on edit, same, remove and click OK. And let's make a refresh, and boom, it's gone. Now what we have to do, we have to remove this. Okay, it's from the sidebar. So let's click on, we have to remove this actually. Click on edit and click on remove, click OK. And let's see what happened. It's gone. Now the turn is Facebook. Let's remove the Facebook. Simply we have to delete the Facebook code actually. Let's click on edit and the pop-ups come, and we have to click on remove and click simply OK. And let's see, it also gone. Now we have to remove the panel. Which panel? We have to remove the panel. So let's do it. Okay, to remove the bar, we have to come to the property and we have to remove those stuff. Yes, we have to remove those stuff. So let's remove it. Simply click on edit, the pop-ups will come, and we have to wait to and what we have to do, we have to delete step by step. Yes, delete the all those things step by step. Delete, 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 and click on save. mm, yes, it's gone, and simply click on social media tab. It's just delete, 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 save. Let's see what happened. Simply it's gone. Now I think you have a question, sir. The panel is okay, wait, let's see. The panel is not gone, just all the stuffs are gone. So what we can do, we will implement something on this. We will implement what? Okay, we will implement home, contact us, about us, and privacy policy page in this. But first we have to start quick. We already passed 3 days, 3 4 days actually. We have to start quick, so we will implement it later. We will implement it later. And now we have to edit as quick as possible. So now we don't need the all those stuff in it's a main menu bar actually. We don't need the post style, feature, page, categories, body press, forms. We don't need it actually. So what we have to do, we have to delete all those from the bar. To delete this we have to go to the blogger, and we have to come to the after logo. There are two menu. One is top navigation and then menu, and the second is main menu after the logo. So we have to click on its menu, and we have to click on edit. The pop-ups will come, and we have to delete step by step. So let's delete. Okay, I'm deleting all the stuff I don't need. Okay, it's deleted and save. Let's see what happened. Save, and let's okay, all stuffs are gone, and just only home here. I think our edit is quite okay for now. And what we have to do, we have to social media icons. It means the sorry, it's a little glitch there. And now we're going to not actually delete, we are going to edit the stuff. If you have any Facebook page or a group related it, then you can add it, or if you don't have, then you can delete it. But I suggest you to make a page like it, and add with. And now I'm going to see how you can add or how you can delete. So let's see. And the actually I I'm doing hard work for you guys. So you guys, I need your support. Yes, I need your support. Please show me some support to inspire me to make more special and secret special content for you, just like the secret method, the personal secret method strategies to earn. uh, I know what I'm doing. uh, I know my English is a little bit awkward, glitchy English, but the main fact is there are many YouTubers who just talk like fluent. I'm also trying to be fluent in English. I'm improving it day by day. I'm working on it. But I think I am I know the how much I have to know to explain something with anyone to discuss. I have the what say I have the ability to speak in English to discuss something with others. Uh, I have many secret strategies to share with you. I know many YouTubers are there who don't share all those things. So you please support me to and inspire me to make some content like this and many other. Uh, and I know you all guys are like me, and you will support me to make more best and secret method, more inspiring content for you. I know you guys will. And again, sorry for my glitchy English. Actually, I'm working on it. I'm improving on it, and it's improving day by day. Actually, so let's do so what are we going to do? So same glitch. I hate glitches. Sorry, it's a glitch. We're going to remove or edit the social icons. So let's edit it. We have to come to the layout, and we have to come at the down page at down, and we have to click on edit on social footer. Click on edit, and if you're new in my channel, please like my video. If you have any problem, if you face any problem in your work, and if you have any problem in my if you find any problem in my video, anything you want to know, then comment in video, comment in the comment box, and like my video, subscribe my channel for more content. Mm, every day I publish a new video, and I make tutorial series. Actually, I will make it many many online money making tutorial series, which is all my tested and proven secret strategies to earn money. And I already said that I'm a professional FACPA affiliate marketer, digital marketer. So you can trust me. I know you can trust me. I have a secret group and page where I take live class on every Sunday, and I we have some giveaway every Sunday, or I give some paid things free, and which is a giveaway. And if you want to participate in live class where we solve all those problem in what we face in 7 days, then you have to join my group and like my Facebook page. I will take the live class in my Facebook group actually. And I have a secret group where I share many secret things. uh, to join the secret group, actually the secret group is not completed yet. We are working on it, but when it will publish, then I will just give the link on my video description. uh, so I'm just talking much. Oh, so to if you have any Facebook page and you want to make a link with it, then you have to click on the Facebook. There is Facebook, and click on edit. Then you have to paste the URL in the URL box and click on save. But for now sorry, it's gone. For now I don't have anything, so I am going to delete all this stuff. I don't like to link anyone with this. So let's save, and let's see what happened. Boom, it's gone. And just what we have now we have only just the blogger templates created by theme expose. Actually, I'm using the free version of it. Yes, it's the truth. I'm using the free version of it. but I have the paid. mm, so what we have to do now, actually we're 90% complete. If anyone want to remove the stuff, I suggest don't remove. You are using the free thing, so you have to give some credit to the developer, so don't remove it. uh, in my second live class, this Sunday we are going to take a live class, that the problem, the things we are going to solve in my second live class, or I will teach you how you can just change the credit and change the copyright. Just the it's a second line thing actually. It's don't it's a not a good thing. You don't it's not a good thing, so you don't need to do this. So it's a segment where I just share how to edit a blog theme, and how you can change all those stuff, how you can remove something stuff that you don't need, and if you need something, how you can link with it. And that's it for now. Just click on save arrangement after completing all those stuff, and it's done. It's done. And in my second video, and the video is now finished. Sorry for my glitchy stucking English again. I am sorry for my glitchy and stucking English, awkward English. I'm working on it. So it's very. I have nothing to say actually. I'm feeling shy about for this, but I'm trying hard. I'm trying hard to speak fluent English actually. So not it's just enough for now. The video is finished, and hope you guys enjoy my video, and I hope you guys learned something from new from my video. And not no more today. I'm Rabi Hassan signing off for now. Have a nice day, and I'm back. I will be back with a new video where I will teach you how you can make a blog post, and how you can design it. And the the good news is I'm going to publish two videos in just the same days. Yes, uh, not for every day, just for the day. I know the you all guys are don't there are 5 or 6 guys who are watching my video and communicating with me, and I don't need many more. I just need some people who are very serious about online money career. Yes, who are very serious about. So have a nice day. Bye. I'm Rabi Hassan from Online Money Carrier. Have a nice day.